Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to book for travel insurance in Nigeria. So just in case you are traveling to some countries, you'll be required to book travel insurance. So this is why I'm making this video, to show you the step-by-step and different companies that offer these services. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, welcome on board. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications icon, that's the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so whenever I make a new video like this, you don't get to miss it. And please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash on the like button so that, I can know that you really enjoyed this video. So now, the first step is this. There are different companies that offer these services in Nigeria. Now, there's Mansard, there's ICO, there's so many of them that offer this service. So because it makes sense where you can easily, reach out to them, book the insurance without stress. This is not a paid advert. This is just me giving you the ones that I know that works best. If you know that insurance company that offers this service, you can also contact them. So to get started, I'll be showing you how to book this online via the Mansard website. So what you'll be seeing next is my computer screen on where I'll be showing you the step-by-step method. So if you have questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to respond to your questions. So the next thing you'll be seeing is my computer screen. Follow me through.
Just in case you're planning to travel abroad, there's some country that will require you to provide a travel insurance, and this is why I'm making this video. So for example, for most Schengen countries or all Schengen countries, you'll be required to provide a travel insurance. Now, in order to get started, just search for travel insurance in your country. So in this case, I'll search for travel insurance in my country. Then let me open this, and let me also open this. So these are the other ones, but let's just stick with these two. So in order to proceed, all you just have to do is come under insurance. As you can see, general business, tourism, insurance. Let's say get started. So you can scroll down, you click on your email, phone number, date of birth. So destination, let's say you're planning to visit, let's say Germany. It could be France, it could be whatever. Just click on the one that applies. Now start date, the date that you are meant to travel. So let's say I'm planning to travel in December. I'll just put December 25th. And let's say I'm planning to use 30 days. I'll put 30. Then I'll click on get instant quote. Then I'm going to click on I understand and proceed. So as you can see, it's showing me the cost. Click on buy. Once you click on buy, you enter your gender, male, first name, surname, so Nigeria, Lagos, I understand. Then you click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, it's going to ask you the purpose of the trip. So in this case, I'm traveling for tourism, passport number. So then the next thing is you would upload your passport. So let's just upload my passport. I'll just wait for it to load. So once it loads, it's going to give this check mark box. Then I scroll up, I'll click on proceed. So once I click on proceed, it's going to show me the information. I'll just have to verify to be sure that all the information is correct. Then the next thing is I'll select any of the payment option that I feel. So once I select any of those payment options, I click on pay. Once I click on pay now, it's going to show me the payment page. So the next step is for me to now enter my payment information. There are different payment options, as you can see, card, USSD, bank transfer, e-Naira. So let me just enter my payment. Once I enter this information, I enter my card details, then I'll click on pay. So once I click on pay, it's going to pay, then it's going to send me the details to my email address. That is the first one. Now, just in case you don't want to use that, you can use another service. This is Alliance Insurance. So you can click on buy now. So you select your destination country. Let's say you are planning to visit the United States. You select United States, individual, purpose of travel, leisure, date of birth. So just select your birthday. So email address, covers begin. So select the date you want the insurance to start reading. Let's say 26th. Then enter your phone number. Then it's gonna the date you're planning to for it to end. So let's say that's gonna be, you want it to end in January 2025. Select level of coverage, worldwide 1 and 2. If it is multi-trip, you enter. If it is so, click on I agree, then you click on get a quote. So it's going to give you different options. So based on the one that you want, you can just click on buy now. So once you click on buy now, your surname, middle name, first name, gender, title, Mr., Mrs., whatever it is. So just select the one that applies. Date of birth is already there. So all this in state of residence, let's say Lagos, address. So your next of kin, then click on continue. So the next step is to click on pay now, or you have to read and accept terms and conditions. Click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, again, it's going to take you to the payment page. So you click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, it's going to ask you to enter the digit pin. So once you enter the digit pin, then it's going to make the payment. Once the payment has been successful, you get a mail telling where it's going to send you all the details of the insurance. Basically, this is how to make payment for insurance anywhere in the world. So if you find this video useful, make sure you smash on the like button.
Again, if you find this video useful, subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications icon, that's the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so you don't get to miss any more posts from me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.